We have agreed that Max is a language because it has its own grammar and structure. That part is clear, right? But now I want to ask you something deeper. If maths is just a human language, why do we call it the language of the universe? There is a mystery here. Are we humans the only intelligent beings in the universe? Of course not. Look around you. From the smallest insect to the largest whale, life is everywhere. So here is the real question. Do animals also know Max? Sounds surprising, right? Let's understand this with a simple situation. Marine biologists once went deeper into the ocean to study fish behavior. They wanted to answer one powerful question. Do fish understand numbers? Imagine this. A small fish is released between two groups. On one side, there are 10 fish swimming together. On the other side, only 2 or 3. Where do you think it will go? Exactly. It quickly joins the larger group. Why? Because more fish means more safety. Makes sense, right? You may have seen this idea in the movie Finding Nemo. And this does not happen only in the ocean. In the forest, something similar happens. If four lions hear a roar sound like it comes from 10 lions, they don't attack. They quietly step back. Interesting, isn't it? What does this show? Animals understand quantity. There is a pattern here. Can you see it? Scientists call this ability numerosity, the sense of how many. But researchers were not satisfied. They had a bigger doubt. Is this just instinct or do animals actually process numbers? Now listen carefully. At the University of Utah, scientist Dr. Gary Rose studied frogs. Here what he observed. In a pond, a female frog is sitting. Behind her stand two male frogs. Remember, frogs cannot turn their necks like we can. They can only hear. Now, the first male frog makes six sounds. Just six. The second male frog listens carefully. Then he makes seven sounds. Not five, not eight, just seven. Why seven? Because it is one more than six. Think about what happened in the tiny frog brain. He listened, counted, remembered the number, added one, then responded. That is not random behavior. That is number processing. Did you catch that? Scientists even studied their brains. When humans think of numbers, certain neurons become active. When frogs recognized numbers, similar neurons activated too. That's powerful, right? So, what does this mean? Number recognition is not only for humans, it exists in ponds, in oceans, in forests. We didn't invent mathematics from nothing. We discovered patterns that were already present in nature. Let that sink in. And that is why math is called the language of the universe. Hope you all understand.